Hello, welcome back to Galvic's YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. Today, we're going to talk about sales tax nexus rules in Maryland. So, if your business sells to customers in Maryland, then this video is for you. Keep watching to know when you need to start registering for sales tax. So, let's get started. Firstly, what is sales tax nexus? It is simply put a connection between the state and your business that obligates you in collecting sales tax and remitting it to the state. Now, when do you know that you have this connection? In two conditions. One, when you have a physical nexus. Two, when you have an economic nexus. So, physical nexus is basically established when you have a physical presence in the state of Maryland. That is, if you have an office, a warehouse, an inventory, or employees, even remote employees working for your business, or if you have any other temporary sales activities in the state of Maryland, then that will trigger a physical presence and that will be called as a physical nexus. Now, when you have a physical nexus, you will definitely need to register for sales tax under physical nexus rules. Now, if you do not have a physical presence, then your nexus will be based on your sales volume and number of transactions over a specific period of time. Now, for Maryland, the rules are basically your sales threshold. If it is beyond $100,000 or if your transactions are beyond 200 in the state of Maryland, then you will be required to register for sales tax because that is when you're triggering economic nexus. Now, the major confusion that a lot of businesses fall into is what exactly counts towards that threshold, and this is the most confusing part. Now I'm going to answer this in three simple questions. First, are marketplace sales excluded from the economic threshold calculation? So, in the state of Maryland, they are not excluded, they are in fact included. So, even if you sell on marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, and even if they collect tax on your behalf, then also you will be required to calculate those sales for your economic threshold calculation. Now, the next one is, are wholesale or resale transactions excluded from the economic threshold? The answer again is no, they are not excluded. They are in fact included, and you will also need to maintain the documentation with reference to these. Now, the third and the final question is, are non taxable or exempt sales excluded from the economic threshold calculation? The answer again is no, they are not excluded. They are in fact included in the calculation of economic threshold. So, once you have all of these three calculations, if you still cross the $100,000 threshold or the 200 transactions limit, then you will be required to register for sales tax certificate at the MD Tax Connect portal. Now, to get help with registration, you can check out our ongoing tutorial series where you have visual walkthroughs that will help you understand how you can apply for sales tax. If not, you can also reach out to us. We are Galvix, a sales tax compliance solution. We help you with Nexus tracking in different states for your business, and along with that, registration and filing. So you can check us out down below at galvix.com, and like this video if you thought it was useful. Let us know what other kind of videos you'd like to see. We'll be happy to make them for you, and reach out to us in case of any doubts with Maryland sales tax or any other US sales tax related query. We'll be happy to answer that for you too. And take care of yourself. Bye bye.